compress here at the bottom, and then slowly we slide our fingers up and up to the top. One more time to make it higher. Compress at the bottom. Tapos hilain nating pataas. Yan. Ito na po ang ating cylinder. Ngayon, out of this cylinder, i-shape po ulit natin siya to another shape. Sa shaping naman, ang pressure manggagaling muna from my inside hand. So, ang gagawin niya, itutulak niya siya palabas. Habang tinutulak, tinataas naman siya dahan-dahan. Dito naman po sa gitna, itulak nating paloob from my outside hand. With the support of the inside hand, we are slowly going.